Hi all, welcome to TechFish Java. In this video, we are going to discuss about one more important concept in Springboot called filter. Before that, in previous video, we have been discussed about one of the concepts called interceptor, which is basically used to do some prerequisites of processing when we are doing the request processing. Uh, there are three methods in that: pre-handle, post-handle, and after completion. And there are different business scenarios to use those methods. So similarly, we have a concept called filter. Filter is basically as an object which is basically used to do some prerequisites when we are doing the request processing. There are the two operations basically filter will perform. One is before sending a request to the actual controller, and the second one is before sending a response to the user. So suppose that in any business case, if you want while doing the request processing, if you want to verify the user credentials that this request is coming from authentic resources or not, we can do this by using filter pre-request method. And if suppose while doing giving the response, we want to hide some important or crucial data, or we want to encode some data which is basically we want critical data which we don't want to travel on network in original form. So we can encode that data in the in that method and do the operations. So let's just start. So for that, I have taken same project which we have taken in the previous videos. I have taken one project on Springboot project, defined the properties file and main class. So for demonstrating the filter, I'm just taking an creating one class which is called as account filter. Now I am annotating this class as component, and here I am going to implement one interface is called filter. And this filter interface basically asking for the implementing the methods. Now there are two more methods I can define. One is called init, and other one is called destroy. Okay, so I'm not defining anything in destroy method, and in init method I am not doing anything also. But in here, in this method, I'm going to write some messages. Before request, and I'm going to print after response. and printing argument 1, and this filter chain response is basically used to call the actual request by using two filter and passing argument 0 and argument 1, which is basically a request object and response object. That's it. Now I'm just trying to run this code. Okay. First I have to stop this and let me just run it again. Okay, now my tomcat is started at 9091. Now I'm trying to hit the services. Now I'm trying to hit the service again. So as you can see that how the request processing, it came first at the filter, and post that filter it is basically return this. So by calling this, it is going to this request and it gets processed and the responses came on the browser. So this way filter works. This is very important feature as well in Spring Boot. Actually this feature is coming from our HTTP servlet itself, and Spring Boot is also adopting this feature for doing processing. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and also comment out and press the bell icon so that you will get the notification for next video whenever it will come. And thank you for watching this. Thank you.